Let's create one more exercise in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use the pad, fillet, pocket, mirror, and hold. And in this exercise, we'll find an error. So watch until the end, open the FreeCAD, and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And the first thing that we make, we'll create the base. The base is a rectangle, 70 by 100 millimeters. And the midpoint will be in the center of this rectangle. And the thickness of the base is 10 millimeters. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the center red rectangle, click here in the midpoint, 70 by 100, and leave the sketch, go to pad. The length here is 10 millimeters, press OK. In the corners, we have a fillet with 10 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here. And the radius here is 10 millimeters and press OK. And we have 4 holes here. And this hole is concentric with the arc. And the diameter of this hole is 10 millimeters. So select this face, go to create a sketch, and go to external projection, select this arc here. And this point is the center of the arc. So create a circle with the center of the circle must be coincident with this point, and the diameter is 10 millimeters. Go to constraint, select equal, make this equal to make the circles with the same diameter. And leave the sketch, go to pocket. The type here, select through all and press OK. Now we will select the front plane and we will make this sketch. And we'll create a line with 50 millimeters, an arc here with 15 millimeters of radius, and a line here with 30 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select here toggle section view. And here, select external projection. Select this line here. And select line. Click here at this point, make a line here with 15 millimeters. And select the arc from 3 points. Click in this point here. Make an arc here. This arc must be tangent with this line. And select the line again. Click here in this point, make a line here with 30 millimeters. Make this arc tangent with this line here. And go to dimension. The radius here 15. And the length here 30 millimeters. Now we will create the other line here. The distance between this line here and this one is 10 millimeters. So we will create this profile. So select the line. Click at this point, make a line here with 10 millimeters. A horizontal line. And create another line here. Go to constraint, select the horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Sorry. Go to dimension here. It's not able to select the both points, but no problem. And here select the polyline, click here on this point, make a line here and a line here. And go to constraint, select equal, select this line and this one, select this line and this one. And go to arc from 3 points, select this point and this point here. And go to constraint, select tangent, select this arc and this line here, this arc and this line here. Let me see what is happening here. Sorry. This point is not coincident. Let me move this. Go to constraint, select coincident, select this point and this point here. That's it. Leave the sketch. And here we need to extrude this 40 millimeters. The same dimension of this diameter here. So go to pad. The mode here, select symmetric. The length 40 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now here we will create this fillet. This fillet is an arc from this point here, tangent with this line here. And the thickness is 10 millimeters. And now go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And go to carbon copy. Click here and go to model. Show the sketch tool. Select the sketch tool here. And go to external projection. Select this line here. Okay. And here, go to arc from 3 point. Click here on this point and in this point here. And go to constraint, select tangent. Select this arc here and this line. And go to select this line here, this one. Make this a construction line type. And here select line, make a line from this point to this point here. We made this one. So leave the sketch and go to pad. The mode here, select symmetric, the length 10 millimeters and press OK. We made this. And now we will make this cylinder here. It has 25 millimeters of length and the diameter is 40 millimeters. So select this face and go to create a sketch and go to external projection. Select this line here and select a circle. Make a circle in the center of this line with 40 millimeters of diameter. And here leave the sketch, go to pad. And the distance here, it has 25 millimeters, 5 millimeters to this side and 20 millimeters to this side here. So the mode here, select the two sides. And the side 1 will be 5 millimeters. And the side 2, the length is 20 millimeters. And press OK. We made this. And now we need to create a hole here. So select this face and go to create a sketch. Go to external projection, select this circle here. And select the circle, make a circle here, concentric. And leave the sketch. Go to hole. Go to standard. And here select isometric. And the size here is M20 x 2.5. And the dip here 25 millimeters through all this body. Okay. And here the hole type, select the modeled thread, update thread view, and press OK. And now to finish this exercise, we need to create some fillets. So the fillet here, all fillet 2 millimeters, and we need to create a fillet here, and this edge here in the other side, and in this edge here with 2 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here, this one, this edge here, this one, the radius here 2 millimeters, and press OK. Don't be surprised for an error in fillet and FreeCAD. So I will make this fillet before the others features. Let me try to remove some edge here. No, I will delete this fillet. Let me delete this hole and delete this pad here. Delete the sketch 5. And let me try to make a fillet here. Two millimeters of radius. It is strange here, but has no problem. Now go to select this sketch here, go to pad, make the extrusion again, the mold here to side, 5 millimeters and 20 millimeters here. We got another error here. Let me remove this and let me remove this fillet. Let me try to make a fillet only in this edge here. Maybe we got an error because of this edge here. I don't know. 2 millimeters of radius. Here in this edge, the fillet is working well. So I will try to make a fillet again with 2 millimeters here. It is strange. Can you see this? Let me make the extrusion here. 5 millimeters and 20. It is working, so let's continue here. Select this face, create a sketch. Go to external projection, select the cylinder, make a circle here in the center. Leave the sketch, go to hole, standard isometric, size M20, and the hole type here, modeled 3D. Press OK. It is working. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. I will try to report this bug. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.